Yes, the boys. I thought you were like a... You can fly? What? Oh my god, it's undercover right there. In the Cooper. You guys saw that, right? Tell you why I don't like Coopers, that's why. Or Volvos. Or any of them cars. No, because if you're a normal, like, civilian, if you're a normal part member of the public, if you just don't buy them cars, please. It's scary, especially when you see like the newer. Is it the Citroen? I don't know which ones it is. I think it might be the Citroens. But yeah, the newer ones, or the Peugeots. Them ones. One's on the right now. Not the Beamer, the other one. Like those headlights are actually just scary as fuck. Like, obviously that's not a Fed, but it's another car, the Skoda. Those are scary as well. Skodas, Volvos, Citroens, the Peugeots. Not Citroens, keep saying Citroen. The Peugeots, they're just scary cars. What is the topic of discussion for today? Because I've not got anything in mind at all of what to waffle about today. We're just going on a little drive before it gets dark. Oh, bro, you're gonna have to reverse you. He's not gonna fit, is he? Is he fuck? Where? Nah, I thought you wouldn't. You're touching the bush. Right, he's got plenty of room now. See, no one does content like this. Okay, it's getting a bit hot in here. I've got a jacket on and everything. It's not acceptable. Tell you what, we need it on our feet. Cold. It's not the warmest. Go on, plus it's 60 down here. That's another wild thing though. UK like national speed limit roads are just something else. Like you can only legally do 70 on a motorway, but then you get this here where you can fit one car. as you can see, you can fit one car down the road, and it's winding. You can't see. It's like, and you can do 60 casually. Right, man. There's no. Oh. You had 7 working days to brake normally. You just decided to just slap the brakes on like that. Mad geezer. Oh, he's going down there. Okay, yep, you're braking very in time. This feels illegal, but it's not. And then you can just slow down and then do 20 miles per hour. Thrashing it. Wait, bro, where do you want me to go? Oh, you have just passed, so it's fine. I didn't know where you wanted me to go then, bloody hell. I'm pulling to there. Good one. Overhead closed, no through route. We'll put that to the test. To be fair, the car's actually feeling quite nippy right now. In normal mode as well. We're not even in sport. We're not even utilising all of its power. Traction control kicking in 3rd gear. I don't think I should actually ever buy a rear wheel drive car. I'll end up over there or down there. Makes no absolute sense how it's legal, but it is. Oh, have I got a bit of brake fade then? That's not good. Road head closed. Well, it said that before and I've just not believed it. Because the majority of the time you can actually just get through it. Where's the road closure? Because I'm still waiting to see it. Oh god, this condition of this road is a bit spooky. that why it's closed? Surely not, that's not. No, because it said road works. Oh god. What did I just go into there? Imagine it just sinkhole. Nah, my car's like a Jeep, it's well high off the ground. Tell you what's really sensible, we should test the brakes. Yeah, they're working. I think they are. They're applying the friction, the pressure. Right, there's a bloody... What are you? Oh my god, hello? What are you guys? Pheasants? Yes, the boys. I thought you were like a... You can fly? What? So why'd you not fly away when you saw lights coming towards you? Why do we see them on the side of the road as we're like ran over? Roadhead closed. Was it closed here and then someone just moved it, or? Who listens to signs? Not me. Because they always lie. Oh my god. They always lie. The state of this road though, like, fix it. What is this? Who pays road tax? Back to the topic. Who actually... Well, we all pay road tax, because otherwise Mr. Government is going to be checking you. Oh shit, wait, it might be closed, you know. But I don't think it is at the same time. So what if you live right there, then what are you doing? No, because there's a car right there. I'm going to get out and move that. Because, what do you mean it's closed, like? He's turning into there. Have I got... I reckon I've got space to squeeze on through here. Oh yeah, look at this. What do you mean closed? Says who? Oh god, that's it, Daddy. Tell you what. It's when you wish you had cameras around your bloody car. If you got a big car, then it is closed. If you don't, then it's not. And then there's a sign saying, okay, come this way, because roadworks are there. UK, guys. UK. I can smell my GoPro overheating on my forehead. Oh shit, wait. No, there's a little weavy section. You can make it out there. They could have just whacked the temporary traffic light and then said, careful, road narrowing, roadworks ahead. And then if you don't see a massive hole, then it's your fault. But right, comment if that looks close to you, because that was definitely not close. And there's a really strange road down here, right? Let's see if we can get it on. Let's see if we can find it first. I'll not get it on video. You know, there's a ford. That just means where water crosses over a road. Something like that we went through a second ago there. I wouldn't have thought that were a flood. Learning English with me. Level 1. Ungradable. It's like all the way up there somewhere. It goes through like a really thin road. And it's quite cool. So let's go exploring. Tell you what, title of this video, backroad bashing. I mean, I'm really not, but clickbait. Our first video, I didn't get stuck, did I? And the second one, technically no, that's not as clickbait. I did crash it, dropped it, the bag. No, my heart actually skipped a beat when it happened, because that bag weighs so much. It weighs 130 kg. That's double me. And then where I was like turning, I was gonna put my foot down as I'm like turning to catch myself, but then there was a drain right there. And as we were saying before, drains in the UK, the sites are just sunk. It's a sink, I mean, and they never want to stay where they are. Bad craftsmanship. So then, oh, it is that way. But yeah, so I go to put my foot down, the drain's lower than the actual ground itself, so I'm like, oh shit. And then obviously with the momentum of the bike leaning towards me, I couldn't catch myself, like, there was just too much weight and like inertia, kinetic energy, science lesson guys. But yeah, there was too much of all that. And my foot just said, yeah, nah, we're giving out. We're putting our 2 week notice in. And then the bike decided to just fall. Oh, what the fuck do you mean? Wait, is there space over there for him? Oh shit. Yeah, I think there might be. Yeah, there is. Perfect. Oh, thank you so much, boss. Cheers. This is the one I'm on about. Look at that, it's a mini waterfall. I would get out, but I'm a bit cold. What does that say? Slow down. What a good sign. Oh, fuck. My wheels are gonna get dirty. Oh my god. Oh, something's smoking. No, it's fine. Right, so my camera just decided to turn itself off. I thought I felt my camera getting like quite hot, and it said bye, and it turned itself off due to overheating. So we've taken the battery out, and we're just gonna try have it plugged in. Don't know why I did that. What was he waving at then? He thanked me. And then I don't know what that gesture was. We're gonna have to look that in replay. Yeah, that is really hot. That's like a hand warmer. But let's see if it'll carry on working, like, with it on just charging. My camera keeps on overheating, right? So I'm having to just, like, hold it out in the air because it keeps overheating. So it's just, I'm just holding it. I don't know if you can see them, I'm just pointing it towards where they would be. You definitely can't see it. But I'm just trying to make it so that the camera just decides to calm down a minute and just stop overheating, because what is going on? I've also had to switch different recording modes because it's getting a bit too dark. And oh god, it's still boiling. It's getting a bit too dark, and then you're not going to be able to see any footage on the same preset that I've got for the daylight. I've got two presets, one's for the day, one's for the night, because camera stuff and that. Technology. It's because when it's dark, we need less frames. We need only 30 frames to be able to capture more light with each frame. And yeah. I'll tell you what, the sky actually looks really nice. I wish there's a car behind me. Tell you what, the little 1.4 does not like going up hills. I sometimes wonder how I can even merge into traffic on the motorway with this car. What are you doing parking there? It's not a parking spot, pal. You're on double yellows, I'm gonna report you, watch. You're getting reported, I've got a cycling mark, you know. Who's gonna stop me? No. Tell you what though, what if I just actually get out on my pedal bike during like rush hour times when I'm free, and then I just do what he does. If someone's on the phone, right, instead of reporting them, no, we're doing it with businessmen here, so instead of reporting them on the phone, we're gonna use like a card reader and be like, okay mate, I have just caught you on your phone. I won't report you, but it's gonna be £20 on the spot, right? So £20 because it's like, it's still valuable, because imagine how many people are on the phone. But then it's also not too much where they'll be like, where they want to get out and just, you know what I mean, like smack you. Because they'll be more scared about the license. Because 3 points, or is it, wait no, it's 6 points. 6 points you get for being on your phone whilst driving, so that's risky, that. But imagine if I was on my phone and then someone caught me. I'm willing to pay £50 on the spot, do you know what I mean? Like, because end of the day, it's going to be cheaper to pay some random guy who's threatening to report you than either losing your licence or making that your insurance premium is going to be like sky high, like sky high. But yeah, there's a doggo. Someone's going to be like, well, what is this geezer on with? Why has he got a flashing headband? It's a camera, love.